people them will live by that, understand that is not just a proverb. Because someone just take it. Like you probably can relate to what me and say. People just hear it and a man say, boy, yeah. So like a word, a wise saying, you know, and a man just repeat it. But I'm more than saying to me, you feel me? It have a lot to do with how you conduct yourself. Like my old man ever said to me, man. My old man tell me, say, man, in life is not what you do, you know, it's how you do it. In life is not when you move, it's how you move. So that go back down to karma again because you realize that anything you do to a one, you know if it's true, anything you do to a one, eventually go work out back for you. So in this case, the Rasta liberty centered around karma because every Rasta understand the importance of karma. And whosoever don't understand the importance of karma simply just can't go get the liberty of Rasta. So that's what me have to add to it. They feel me? And there are many more views there to it. Many more point of view.
Do
you
good?
Feel me?
I'm good with follow
I'm
you.
good with follow you. You get me? So I just that with the other doing it. That Rasta been done and that Rasta go continue. As me say, appearance no have nothing to do with the liberty.
Just an identification for
Yeah.
right?
You feel me?
As of late, I'm only a man with tall here and really I represent on the liberty. It's just a fashionable thing.
Yeah, but look on all the tune. You know what I'm breathe? Because the brother will do the tune say he might live like Rasta. But now I say, yo, nothing wrong. We are promoting, you know. Nothing wrong, you know. Because at least the younger generation can come have an appreciation for the culture. But you can't brand Rasta and you now put where Rasta stand for. Where Rasta stand for. When you have a deal with Rasta, you talk about equality. You feel me? You talk about UNIA. You feel me? Nigger Improvement Association. When you deal with Rasta, you talk about the movement where Malcolm X started. So basically, anything we're going to promote the image of Rasta. After you promote black consciousness. You feel me? And the video when I watch that day, I say, yo, all me look, I don't see no picture with Marcus. I don't see one picture with the Malcolm X. I don't see no picture. It's like no reverence, no respect, no needed for the work where Rasta promote. You feel me? Everybody in love with the image and that them support. Nobody now support the work. And the work are the important thing, you get me? Everybody just want to say, wow, Rasta this, Rasta. Yeah, Rasta look good, yes. But on those, you feel say the appearance. No man.
Well, you see, what him do, now go really knock it. Reason being, this could be a start for him for moving towards Rasta. It could have been the gateway for him and say, okay, you know what? The lifestyle from the one song, yeah, it propel and it move me to get even a better understanding if you even want to deal Rasta myself on the whole. You understand me? From that they level them.
But if at that you are promoting, alright, we just say at that the version of promote. Him want more people to gain acceptance and probably him himself
Exactly, that's what
gain
I
some
thought.
from acceptance. But look on the history. Consider what hell of them do before you, brother. You have to consider what them a fight for. You can't just come out with your own views. Nothing wrong with your own views, you know. But connect it with what already happened. You get me?
And then,
like,
maybe he's not fully aware to a certain level either, you know. As much as he might sing certain this and certain that, you know, maybe him head just a get hooked. Say, alright, you know what? Me, they're going to use this or anything can propel from this and push him more into that.
so you say I use it as
Because remember, you know, they say the man working a mysterious ways, you know, so maybe at this, from this song, him go get saved. Pre-conscious on a different level. You understand what I mean?
it can be, you know.
Yeah, so
It can be, but you can't, we're not going to reduce it to that because why may I say he know better now? He know better because him on Sugar Miner. And him and the first year come DJ about Rasta.
No.
And I talk about the liberty, culture, Sugar Miner, Josephine. You have, you know what I mean, man like Michael Palmer, Tristan Palmer, King April. You have man like, as much as how Ken boot them, I don't know Rasta, but if you go reason with Ken boot them,
them hold it.
them man they are going to tell us, say, watch a man, it liberty and way younger you them a promote. You feel me? When them a promote, I probably if it gets more traction You give me, I probably get more recognition in the global music community because Rasta already have them image, you know. And if you are go brand yourself, you know, where you look like Rasta, people got want to hear what you say. So if that him I do it for, to get popularity, to gain traction, then we will understand. But bro, respect the culture. And if you're going to put nothing out about Rasta, make sure it's tied to black consciousness and make sure it's tied to a nigga improvement. It make sure it connect with black people, upliftment.
Fully.
Otherwise, you know, but I gonna bring down Rasta identity.
In your own thing.
Yeah, you know, bring down Rasta identity, bring it up. Like, that's for one, me not like certain, me tell myself that certain people not for Rasta. Because you only have bring down your name, brother. You know what, but man, them work, people look up on Rasta, look up on Rasta. So if you know, say your mentality not right, don't call yourself a Rasta. Yeah, just stay one side with your fuckery. So you lack of a better word. If you're not right, stay one side. And come associate. And mix up with the blood clot people where you know say I practice consciousness. Don't make no sense. You are practice madness and then I mix up with people that do consciousness. You can't get bitter and sweet water from the same fountain.
And true.
Everybody know that. You see, so I basically adapt them and you can understand. You get me? Yeah, I understand you want recognition. You get me? But nobody get recognition through the